Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. Many aspirants were asking me for a GPSTR syllabus. Now here I am with the GPSTR science syllabus. In science you will have physics, chemistry and biology. Okay, now this syllabus is both for maths and science teacher, along with that for biology science teacher. Okay, so I will give you the syllabus in brief here. If you want the document, I mean to say this PDF file, you will get it in our Telegram channel. You can join our Telegram channel and group from the link given in the description. You will get it below this video. Before starting to discuss the syllabus, I want to tell you to subscribe to my channel because you will be getting regular information, classes, everything related to GPSTR, HSTR and TET in this YouTube channel for free. This is a Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. Okay, now on this note, let's start discussing. See here, I am giving you the English version. Here first is the physics. In physics, you will have measurements and units. This is the first chapter. Of course, what will be the exam pattern? You will have MCQs also. You will have descriptive type question answers also. That means you will have 1 mark questions also, you will have 2 mark questions also, you will have 3 mark questions and 4 mark questions also. This is the pattern of GPSTR. Okay, clear, right? Now we are talking about 6th to 8th classes teachers. Okay, now coming back to our syllabus, measurements and units you will have, then you will have magnetism, then you will have electricity. After that in physics syllabus you are having dynamics, then gravitation, heat, optics. Now this is all up to class 10th level. Okay, this is all up to class 10th level as per the syllabus which I am discussing here. Some here and there topics may be from PUC, but basically it is up till class 10th, the high school syllabus you can say. Okay, then you will have sound chapter, then you will have universe chapter. Now this is all about physics syllabus. Now talking about chemistry, you have this structure of atom. This is the biggest chapter and you will get many questions from this chapter. Then you have a classification of elements, chemical bonds, electronic configuration, matter, chemical reactions. All this is from high school part only. Okay, from you can say the topics are from 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Okay, basically from 8th only, but some basic things you learn in 6th, 7th also, right? Okay, then you have acids, bases and salts, carbon and its compound. This is also a very important chapter. In physics, no, dynamics was important chapter, electricity was important chapter, along with that gravitation was important chapter. Okay, like that only you have metals and non-metals here, you have chemical properties, solution, chemicals in our daily life. Now chemicals in our daily life is also one of the important chapter from chemistry. Okay, then talking about biology, this is a living world, life process in plants, reaching the age of adolescence, then life process in animals, natural resources you have. Here important chapter means life process in plants, it is an important chapter. Even reaching the age of adolescence is also an important chapter. You may get descriptive type of questions from this chapter. Then we have ecology. This is also important chapter. Soil erosion, meaning, then pollution, water, greenhouse effects. So multiple choice questions and 2-3 marks questions may be asked from these chapters also. Okay, ecosystem, then you have cytology. This is also very important chapter. Then another important chapter is classification of organisms, evolution, human evolution, microorganisms, of course tissues, another important chapter, genetics and animal resources. Okay, so this was the syllabus of science which included physics, chemistry and biology. Now we have a list of suggested books also. Here they are directly telling you to use resources from Karnataka Rajya ಪಠ್ಯಪುಸ್ತಕ ಮಂಡಳಿಯ 6ನೇರಿಂದ 12ನೆಯ ತರಗತಿಯ ಪಠ್ಯಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳು. They are directly telling you have to use books from 6th standard to 12th standard. Okay, till PUC. And along with that, they are giving you suggestions for using 6th to 12th standard books of NCERT. Actually, both are same only. Then they are telling that then they are giving one book name Millennium Samanya Adhyayana 2022 HRK. So this is a GK book, I believe. Okay, so this was the syllabus of GPSTR Science. So if you want syllabus of maths also, you can write down in the comment section. Anyway, you will get this PDF file in our Telegram channel. Okay, I hope that your doubts are cleared now. See, syllabus is the first step towards preparation. So that's why you should be literally perfect with the syllabus. You should be knowing what syllabus is coming in your exam. Then only things will become clear, right? Then only you can proceed with what you have to prepare, what is easy for you and what is tough for you. So this is the high time for you all to prepare starting from the syllabus, because there are newses that maybe GPSTR will come in this year only, maybe by the end of this year, maybe in November or December they are telling. Anyway, we can confirm this only with the authentic or official notification, right? But you never know, once notification comes, you will have only 2 months, right? Not more than that for preparation, and it will be not be enough for you to prepare within 2 months. So that's why please don't waste time and keep preparing. Okay, thank you, all the best, bye.